Introducing the NanoShock from Pyronix. A compact Grade 2 wireless shock sensor that flexibly fits out of sight within uPVC window or door frames, or surface-mounted thanks to its low profile and discreet design. Measuring only 95mm in length, this compact shock sensor features a pinhole button for simple sensitivity calibration during installation, as well as LED indication, making setup easy. Not only that, the device can be learnt and the sensitivity set without opening it again. And it has a breakaway tamper for simple and compliant installation. The batteries are encased in the front of the sensor for the most straightforward installation and maintenance. As an accelerometer device, the NanoShock can be fitted in any orientation. Simply place in the required position, and as soon as the detector is closed, it auto-orientates with visual indication to confirm. The sensitivity can then be calibrated. As the NanoShock is designed to be fitted in changeable environments, its PCB has been conformally coated, which avoids deterioration of the PCB and electronics to increase stability, longevity, and ensure reliable performance. Once fitted, the installer can quickly and easily carry out a walk test to check the calibration with LED indication. The NanoShock comes in white as standard, with brown and anthracite casings available to match the style and preference of every installation. With excellent wireless range and 2 years battery life, the NanoShock is designed to deliver easy professional setup and reliable protection. NanoShock, discreet perimeter protection.